meeting about I can see here the fray. It's about the new patriotic party, that is the MPP. Hey, starting new registration card. Yeah, person will be a card bearing member. I will say, make way your party back, you can party card. Until you started we are starting the 1st of March. Until you church the mama will be out to Aba. Okwa Ukraine voters ID card. Not the alcohol. Now you I record no we are what the card. I brand new say oh yeah MPP ni mapa. Bibiba adodo dibiba wo party ni ma. Yenim so ye yende se. Yene neso. Yene di nyano. Na bibi so nya ya timi akone sere so. So the whole motive behind it you know say new registration card. That's a membership card. I'm an MPP for nyina. Sir.
What can say me high de pa. Na ya best go so the mama. Yene younger team for you say. Next year assembly election yan show wani ana say yantumna.
Yo me nua me da se ne say we bi sa me no. No kware eyampa next year you another assembly elections ereba so. Unua ne adofo ne ametuma ka ne se bi gina mu bi o. Obi mrango se mi gina mu sekutu sebam me baby o me baby o it is possible so it is possible so it is possible I'm coming back
ya person to one to we support go say what was the last 4 years BBC now next year no then just say the last 4 years
oh sabe Bible say money pa me wani na wasabu owo. It is first na say ne di kan me da sabu yo nanka sabiri de meye manua han sabu yo chirben na mamani ada ho na maye mani mpefe na mahwene ye na ma microphone so ya ana ma chi typhoon so ya wo bo ma chi dom se me nko no mani wo hwamo na mumu ne peripere ya ba na wahu se na ba okoto ma me no wantu ahu na mumu wato ma de bo type ana na akoma so ya de abre no nti afia rebe di nyame ahoden ne yesre se pefe ani da ho ena bia ani be da ho ne aye ne pepepe bedase